In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a CV website in Notion using a free resume template. This is an easy way to create a professional online CV that you can share with employers or clients. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. In the search bar, type resume or CV and browse the available templates. Choose a template that matches your style, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Replace the sample content with your own information. Update your name, professional summary, work experience, education, skills, certifications, and contact details. You can also add links to your portfolio, LinkedIn profile, GitHub, or other professional websites. Customize the page by changing the cover image, icon, headings, and layout to match your personal brand. You can also add images, project galleries, testimonials, or additional sections to showcase your work. When your CV is ready, click Share in the top right corner and enable Publish to Web. Turn on Allow Duplicate as template only if you want others to copy your page. Copy the public link and open it in a new browser tab to review how your CV website looks. You can now share this link with recruiters, employers, or anyone who wants to view your professional profile. That's how to build a CV website in Notion. Thanks for watching.